Today we will show you how to install the Corky replacement seal for American Standard Champion 4 and Eljer Titan 4 flush valves. The first step is to turn the water supply off and flush to drain the tank. Next, unscrew the black nut and remove it. Remove the O-ring using your fingernail or tweezers and replace it with the black O-ring. Remove the green cover and replace the old seal. While you lift up on the bottom of the cup, place the green cover on and twist until nested. Screw the black nut back on until you hear one soft click and two loud clicks, and fit it into the placeholders. Be sure to not over-tighten the nut or it may snap off. With a wet rag, wipe off the flush valve sealing surface. Now, turn on the water supply and let the tank fill completely. If you have any questions or need further assistance, visit our website or call us at 1-800-528-3553.